Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Mashvisor for rental property cash flow estimates, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start, open your web browser. In the address bar, type in www.mashvisor.com. Press the enter key to navigate to the Mashvisor website. On the home page, look for the login button, usually located in the upper right corner. Click on the login button. A login form will appear on the screen. Here, you need to enter your email address associated with your Mashvisor account. In the next field, type your password. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. Once you have entered your credentials, review them for accuracy. Then, click the Login button to access your account. After logging in, you will be directed to the Mashvisor dashboard. From the dashboard, navigate to the search bar at the top of the page. Enter the property address or location you are interested in. Press the enter key to initiate the search. Once the results load, select the specific property you want to evaluate. You will see an overview of the property with various financial metrics. Look for the cash flow estimate section to find the information you need. Explore additional features and tools available on Mashvisor to enhance your analysis. By following these steps, you will successfully log into Mashvisor and access rental property cash flow estimates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.